Bassett Furniture has a long history in the furniture industry. We started in 1902 right here in Bassett, Virginia. There's so much optionality in what we do. We do a ton of custom-made furniture. You have seating options, you have nail heads, fabrics. There's a lot of complexity behind what we do. So how do you track all that?
Our data was all over the place. And using Domo, we were able to take all those data sources and put them into one package.
Domo for Bassett is an incredible tool because it provides data in a succinct way that we can look across product lines, customer bases, and really understand our customer better so that we can provide a better experience for our customer. Domo provides the ability to access that data any place, on our phone, on our tablets, on our computers, PCs, in any location, whether that's at our store location or whether it's standing in the corporate office or sitting in a meeting, and be able to analyze that data in a way that we can now make better decisions to meet our customer needs.
Our sales reps use Domo in the field multiple times a day, every day. Any business relationship that they're walking into, any account that they're walking into.
The most measurable outcomes that I've seen from using Domo is just making better buying decisions. We were able to bring the division's inventory down, 2/3, which is a big milestone. And we're also able to keep the inventory level at a kind of a just-in-time type inventory where we're not overstocked.
I have one dashboard in Domo that pulls the orders by order type for samples, non-samples. I can also look at what our financing breakdown is, as well as where the orders are coming from. I'm also looking to see how many sample orders are placed, so that's a big driver for us online and in store. The amount of time that we're saving just by going to one source to get the orders, I went from probably spending 3 or 4 hours just getting that information down to within like 15, 20 minutes.
Domo has really helped shed light on what our business is really doing, and which has made the world of difference. And so I would encourage a retailer to use Domo, because otherwise, I don't want to say you're guessing, but in my opinion, you are.